Connecting a soundbar to your TV is a simple process that can significantly enhance your entertainment experience. To start, ensure you have the necessary cables and accessories such as an HDMI cable, optical cable, or an audio cable. First, determine the type of connection your TV and soundbar support. Most modern TVs and soundbars use HDMI for audio and video transmission. If your TV and soundbar have an HDMI port labeled as ARC, which stands for Audio Return Channel, use this port for the connection as it allows for two-way communication between the devices. To connect your soundbar to your TV using HDMI, locate the HDMI output on your TV and the HDMI input on your soundbar. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the TV's output and the other end to the soundbar's input. If your TV does not have an HDMI output or if you prefer a wireless connection, consider using an optical cable. This type of connection is also known as a TOSLINK connection and is commonly used for audio transmission. Connect one end of the optical cable to the TV's optical output and the other end to the sound bar's optical input. Once you have made the physical connection, power on both your TV and soundbar. Use your TV remote to navigate to the audio or sound settings menu. Select the external speaker or soundbar option as the default audio output. You may also need to configure the soundbar settings to recognize the TV as the audio source. Finally, test the connection by playing a video or music on your TV to ensure the audio is coming from the soundbar. If the sound is not working, check the cables for any damage or loose connections and verify that the TV and soundbar are configured correctly. By following these steps and considering the specific capabilities of your TV and soundbar, you can successfully connect your soundbar to your TV and enjoy an enhanced viewing experience with improved sound quality.